So we're staying in the project demo 18, but this time we're in the panel subfolder and we're in drawing demo 09. And as you can see, there's a panel there in the drawing with all our terminal strips over here on the right hand side. I'm just going to double click there to zoom extents for the moment. I'm going to go to the panel tab on the ribbon now. And what I'm going to do is go to the terminal footprints panel here and select Insert Terminal from the Schematic list. So when I click on that there, it gives me a list of all of the schematic terminals available in the active project. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload and I'm going to select Project there and I'm going to click on OK and it will bring up that list. Now before it does though, it prompts me which drawing do I want to process. Now we placed our terminal in drawing demo 02 in the previous video, which is this drawing here. There's demo 02 there. So I'm going to process that drawing and then click on OK. There's my TSA junction box 1 wire number 102B. The ones with the X's next to them are already being used. They're already in the drawing. So if I select this one, it gives me the option now to insert that into my panel drawing, thus linking the terminal from my schematic drawing into my panel drawing. So I click on Insert, and what will happen now is it will take a few seconds to load up, and it's asking me to specify the location there for TSA, Tag Strip A. You can see that there on the command line. If I switch on my dynamic input, you can see there that I get the dynamic input prompt to specify insertion point. So if I zoom in now, what I'm going to do is just place this. I could place it here on this terminal strip. I'm just going to place it below that terminal strip just so we don't affect anything else in the project. So I click there and I've now got the option of rotating it if I want to. I'm just going to keep it vertical like that and click. And then what we've got to do is do the terminal insert edit. So the installation, I can browse for that. The location is junction box 1, tag strip TSA as before. Notice the wire number is grayed out. That's fixed because it's picked up that wire number from drawing demo 02. I'm not going to worry about anything else here. All I'm going to do is click on OK. And you can see there that it's now got a cross next to it because it's been inserted into the panel drawing. So I can close this dialog box. There's not a lot of information on these terminal strips. As you can see, if I zoom in, look, there's just one number on those ones there. And over here, again, see the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's no real associations with these at the moment. You could get all the associations to display if you wanted to. A lot of the time, though, what you do is you utilize the edit component. So I click there, right click, and I can go to edit footprint like so, and I can edit the information there if I need to. Now you'll notice I can add or modify properties and associations there. So if I click on that, you can see there that I can actually go in and edit all of the information, the associations for that particular junction box 1 tag strip TSA. Now I'm not going to worry about editing all of that information, but I can change it if I want to. So you'll notice there, look, single 102B 002 102. Those were the references that we had when we inserted it into the demo 02 schematic drawing previously. So I'll just OK that. I don't need to worry about making any changes. But you make those changes in the background and they go into the AutoCAD Electrical Project database.